NQ smash our 28441 minus 0.5 Fibonacci extension we predicted. Hop in, let's dive into the charts. This week was a very fantastic week in trading because market did exactly what we expected from him. And what do we have going forward? This week, let me quickly start from DSY. DSY, last I previously explained that I am very neutral on DSY for now because this sort of a price action is not what I wanted to be involved. That being said, I'm still neutral. While we go to COT reports of DSY, we have a second week of accumulation, and if you watch the price action, that is not, I will prefer probably 3 or 4 weeks more accumulation before we have a cleaner price action on DSY. So going forward on DSY, as you can see on the weekly time frame, is still respecting this weekly fair value gap. This fair value gap, that the low of March 9 2026 and the high of February 23rd 2026 fair value gap. Price rejected that level. Price is rejected that level. It's actually from a volume imbalance. The opening price of 27th of April and the opening price of 4th of May 2026. So what are we going to do? I'm still neutral, but if you put gun on my head, I will still be neutral. I will not be looking forward for this. I will wait for more cleaner price action because this price action is really not what I will be expecting from price. I will not be touching DSY this week. Euro USD. Euro USD, if you look at it also, like I previously said last week, that price can go in either direction. It can go up, it can go up, and it can also come down. And price is respecting this opening price of 23rd of April, 23rd of February, and high of 9th of March 2026. If you look at it on the weekly chart, you will see that price is likely going to take this April 13th high. Okay, it seemed like price wanted to take this April 17th high, so the immediate price reaction will be this 13th of April high. But I'm not going to trade it. This is not what I want. This is not the A setup I create for. I'm not going to touch it. If you go to on the daily time frame, we still have a higher way. Price can form anything here and keep on pushing high, but I'm not trading it. I don't like the price setup. There is more other assets that have a cleaner price action to trade from. That being said, let's head to pounds USD. Pounds USD on a weekly chart, if you look at this, is showing a sign of, because it came to this fair value gap, I rejected that and it's pushing high. But what do I say? That I will not be trading currency for now, pending when I see a more cleaner price action going forward. That being said, we head to our favorite pair for now, and that is NQ. That is NASDAQ. So what do we have? What does exactly happen this week? You can agree with me that we had this expectation on price on on NQ, NASDAQ, that we expect price to come to the low of 1st of March 2023, or it can tap as far as it come to the low of March 2020, 1st of May 2023, and it can work with a high of 29th of April 2026. It can work with those level, and we are fine. We can take our trade from there. But there is a bigger issue which I didn't highlight on this video, but if you are following on Instagram and on Instagram precisely, I mentioned this particular price. So price came back on this the closing price of 30th of April and the opening price of 1st of May. What we have there is called volume imbalance. So the volume imbalance, price came back, tapped the 50% of it, and reacted immediately. As soon as I saw this reaction, the way price reacted this level, then on Tuesday, I went down, lower to 4-hour time frame. Then I observe this is actually what happened. I saw this low of 1st of May 10 a.m. in Eastern time, and a high of 1st of May also, but 2 a.m. this is London session. So I saw the fair value gap that formed within this time frame that I specified on 4 hour. Then I marked the level, and if you go down lower to level, if you can see that price actually has balanced this range. All of this from November, from 27th of April until 1st of May, price has definitely balanced all this price action. It is called a balanced price range. It's only this points, this 1st of May 2 a.m. high and 1st of May 10 a.m. low, that price has not balanced. So that particular day, that Monday, 4th of April of May, price came back, tap into this the opening price of 1st of May 2 a.m. high. Price tap it and rejected immediately. So immediately I saw all of these conferences, I said this is the right place to hit the target, of which I intentionally did, and the price actually, so I targeted that 0.28 for I think 441 28 441 level. That is a minus 0.5 extension level. So that was a very beautiful trade we took this week, and that delivered a very perfect price action. And since then, price has been keep pushing higher like never before. So going into this week, what will I be doing? If we go quickly to Forex Factory, you see Monday there is no economic driver, there is no red news, red folder. So we will having CPI is coming on Tuesday. CPI is coming on Tuesday. Yeah, CPI is coming on Tuesday, and on Wednesday we have a core PPI And Thursday we have a GDP report and also a core retail sales on Thursday. So basically I will be using Monday as a range day. Okay, I will use Monday as a range day, and whatever he gave here, probably we have another inside bar on Monday. Then we form something like a fair value open here, a high of 7th of May. So we form a open here, then we can use that as a fair value gap to take a buy. That will, but we have to wait for Monday price action to print before we know our next action. All right, we head to S&P 500. In this instance, price actually came back to the level we anticipated, the high of the fair value gap that formed on 29th and 1st of May. The fair value gap. So you see the price came back, tap into the lower side and retraced back, showing the willingness to push higher, and that is exactly price did. And you see the rest is the history, as you can see. And we are still targeting our 7519. We are still on the road to that, and we are currently at current level is 7421. So we expect to hit 7519. That is our target. So we are still bullish on S&P 500. That is ES. Then YM, mini Dow Jones, we actually said we expect price to come back and tested this 29th April and 1st of May fair value gap. Price actually did that. It came back close below it, then come back inside the fair value gap, and from there you see we created a new all-time high. But this one is more weaker, so if I'm bullish in 3 of them, so I will look for the one that has a more finer or cleaner price action. And I'm still expecting this 50623 to get hit, and we will see what happens. Maybe this don't want this mini Dow Jones doesn't want to make a new all-time high, but we will see what will happen. But I'm super bullish on NQ and ES. And actually, if you check on ES, we have 604k net long, and also we had I think 6k. We have exactly 6k net long, just new added net position on NQ according to COT reports on weeklyedge.com. That being said, we head to gold. What is happening on a weekly time frame? We are still inside this our fair value gap on March 9 and 23rd of March. So we are still inside that fair value gap. So it's better we trade the ones that very more cleaner price action on a weekly time frame. If price follow this path, come high, break above the April 13th high, okay, then retrace into it back, use that as a support and push high, then I will be interested in buying. But as it stand here now, I will keep on watching what market is doing. Let me repeat again. The only way I'll be interested in gold on a weekly time frame is if we can break above 13th of April high 2026 and we close there perfectly well, then we have a retrace back to that same level, then we can use that as a support to buy, to push high. That is my where I will be involved. But right now I'll keep on watching him, whatever he chooses to do. All right, in summary, what are our expectation this week, this coming week? Our expectation coming this week, DSY, we are neutral. We are not hitting any button. Pounds USD, we are not touching it. We are still neutral. Euro USD, we are still neutral. We are not touching it. NASDAQ, we will wait after Monday price print, then we will take a decision. But overall, we are still bullish. S&P 500, we are still bullish. Same attitude, same work with NASDAQ. We will wait on Monday price action to print. Then from there we take it, and overall we are still bullish. YM, that is mini Dow Jones, we are still bullish, but ES and NASDAQ has more better price action, so it is more advisable to focus on the one that has more better price action. Overall we are still bullish, because if the two indices are going up, we expect to in as much as the other one is lagging behind, we still expect him to be going up at the same time. And good, like I just said, that we expect the 13th of April 2027 high to be closed properly. They give us a reason, come back the same level, then we'll be interested in buying good on a weekly time frame. But as it stands here, we still watch what good we do. That will be all for now. If you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button and trade smart and be safe.